And I think it was a wise call because मेरे को पता नहीं था कि director बनना means इतना सारा काम. There's a lot of work. Till in 2022, I finally pitched it to Manish, and in 3 minutes he said yes. Now let's take Dhurandhar for example. मुझे ऑफर करना भी चाहते तो मेरे को कौन सा रोल ऑफर करते? अक्षय खन्ना का कर सकती थी मैं.
Which one is your favorite performance? Tell me, as an actor, the one that you feel मैंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया.
ऐसा तो कुछ मेरे को लगता नहीं है. बहुत सारी फिल्में उस जॉनर में बनती हैं कि women as objects of lust
and desire.
Women and desire. शबाना जी ने एक इंटरव्यू में बोला था कि मेरे मनपसंद रोल्स उतने आते नहीं हैं. शबाना आज़मी को नहीं आते उनके मनपसंद रोल. मतलब when I see मेघना गुलजार्स फिल्म्स या जोया's फिल्म्स, मुझे नहीं फ़र्क पता चलता.
How was it working with your husband?
It's not easy at all because both of us are very opinionated. बहुत दोनों के बहुत strong
Must be
opinions.
interesting marriage.
हमारे neighbors को लगता है कि हम लोग divorce करने वाले हैं कल सुबह. I think it's just what my mom told me कि if I see you sitting around तो घर का काम कर लेना, खाली मत बैठे हुए नजर आओ. But if you are asking me to be a mother, then ask me कि I would ask them कि मदर का क्या कैरेक्टर है, एंड दे वुड से मदर है. नो, आई न्यू इट वाज एन अनइक्वल वर्ल्ड वेरी अर्ली. साली मोहब्बत एक फीमेल डीओपी ने शूट किया, विदुषी तिवारी. फैब. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा कि वो फीमेल है या मेल है, यंग है, हॉट है, ये है वो है.
That ticks ना, yeah, that
तो वो सब ये सब बॉक्सेस टिक हो गए, तो that's absolutely fine.
इस शादी में गद्दी में कौन बैठा है या गद्दी ही नहीं है?
दोनों गधे हैं. For example, my mother fell sick when I was directing Sali Mohabbat. She got cancer. So why has marriage not changed? So the idea of marriage is two people bearing witness to each other's lives. Most boys who have been given 1-2 tight slaps by their mother are quite okay. बच्चे पता है कितने हरामी होते हैं? आपको आइडिया है कितने हरामी होते हैं? ऐसे ट्विस्ट करके घुमा के will send you out into the universe. The Shalini Pasi, think positive thoughts.
It's great for my skin.
Yes.
I can't hate on people. It's bad for my skin.
Yeah. As the director, मैं तो सबके बम के नीचे चिंगारी जलाने आई हूँ कि अच्छा और अच्छा काम करो सब लोग और आगे करो. Hi, I'm Tiska Chopra and I'm on the Superwomania show with my dear Stuti.
Superwomania Stuti.
Hi guys, welcome to Fever FM. मैं हूँ स्तुति. This is the Superwomania podcast, and like the name suggests, things are grand, things are amazing, and we are here with somebody who we can describe using these exact words. Her talent is grand. She is amazing, whether she comes in front of the camera or she's directing people from behind, or you meet her in person, always so warm, always so genuine. Tiska, very happy to be sitting here with you.
What an introduction. And now I feel like I must immediately perform and do something.
नहीं जी, आप perform कर चुकी हैं. हम तो अब आए हैं to applaud and to tell you how much love we have for you.
Thank you.
She's our Superwomania 2025, and now to be able to sit down to have this conversation with you. Your film has released. साली मोहब्बत, love the name, and कितना rigor, कितनी मेहनत गई in directing this. You've co-written it with your husband, Mr. Sanjay Chopra,
And Namrata Shenoy.
And you've directed it, and you've resisted the temptation to not act, because I think the role was such that the actor in you must have felt like I can bite my teeth into this.
Absolutely. In fact, that was the intention. लिखा इसी मन से था. But when I went to Manish, he said that for your first film, and I've known Manish for years, and he's very wise.
Yeah.
And he has the ability to see, बहुत दिशाओं से. So he said that don't act, just direct. Let this be your first as a director. उसके बाद you take it on later. And I think it was a wise call because मेरे को पता नहीं था कि director बनना means इतना सारा काम. There's a lot of work.
Listen, I have a lot of respect for you to want to do this. This shows how much you're in love with the medium. So talk to us a little about Sali Mohabbat, freshly out of having watched it. I want to stay with the film now, longer.
So I wrote this along with Sanjay and Namrata in 2019. And then the lockdown happened. So we were supposed to make it with one person, and that person then said, no, I don't want to do this, I want to do something else. So that changed, and then Anurag Kashyap was supposed to produce it. Then his company went a little here and there. Then I pitched it to a number of people, but somehow there was never a good fit. Till in 2022, I finally pitched it to Manish, and in 3 minutes he said yes. And then we started the process of casting. Because the central character had to be the most important. So we were, Manish said, let's talk to a few of my friends. So we spoke to a few of Manish's friends who are sort of the people that he styles for and all of that. And they were shying away from this character because it is dark and volatile.
The character that Radhika's playing.
Yes. And so then we threw a few names around, and finally it came down to 2 names, and both our first choice was Radhika. And when she said yes, I think both of us were very happy, and I think she was very happy as well to be able to play this part. So all around there was a great deal of joy and enthusiasm with this casting, and then that the rest is, as you know, it's in front of you.
Are you happy with the final product? What are you feeling right now? People are watching
I'm a
this.
hypercritical person. I don't know the word happy.
Really?
I'm
You're
happy
one of those?
I'm happy it's come out, and I'm happy that, discerning women like yourself, people who've seen so much of content and who see the nuance of things, have loved it and enjoyed it, because it's not a film that's made casually.
that is very clear.
एक गाना डाल दो,
Correct.
एक ये कर दो, एक वो कर दो, मतलब एक चीज पे
Talking
discussion.
about Ghana, I really like the song "Chand Har Gayi Andhere Se." I thought it was a beautiful
Hara Re
song.
Chanda.
Yeah.
That makes me happy that it connects, but I'm not a person who's given to कि it's done now, this is perfect. अभी तो मेरे को अगर दोबारा से दे फिल्म एडिट करने को, मैं फिर से शुरू हो जाऊंगी.
Really?
Yeah.
So you are the hardest to please. Like Tiska is not impressed by Tiska. Is that the correct statement?
I mean, I don't know. Is anyone impressed with themselves? कि
Yeah,
मैं आपसे-
लोग they do pat themselves on the back and they say not bad. You don't do that. Okay, which one is your favorite performance? Tell me, as an actor, the one that you feel मैंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया.
ऐसा तो कुछ मेरे को लगता नहीं है. ऐसा मतलब अभी आने वाली होगी कोई फिल्म. I mean, कोई आएगी.
Kissa? You didn't feel that after Kissa?
No.
You didn't feel that in Tare Zameen Par?
No. I don't feel like that. I don't look at my work like that. I'm too close to it to have any sort of objectivity. I'm happy that it connects with people. Let me be honest on that. I'm not ungrateful that असर होता है कुछ लोगों के ऊपर. But मुझे हमेशा लगता है कि यार एक बार फिर से कर ले ये. And so in that sense it's a little मतलब I'm like that.
And how is it working with your husband? Is it easy?
It's not easy at all because both of us are very opinionated. बहुत दोनों के बहुत strong
Must be
opinions.
interesting marriage.
हमारे neighbors को लगता है कि हम लोग divorce करने वाले हैं कल सुबह at any given time. Particularly जब हम
Neighbors मतलब वहाँ तक बात जाती है, सुनाई देता है.
अब yes मतलब आराम से.
I like that.
So they're like ये तो दोनों मतलब but that's in the process of writing a script. Otherwise we're best buds. Whoever really.
So a lot of creative differences, arguments, all of that happened.
I would not say creative differences because that's like a that's gone to the end of that spectrum कि ये हमारे differences हैं. You know, we bung it out.
Yeah,
We लड़ के he storms off. I'm like, I don't want to talk to you. What the hell are you thinking? And da. So there's a lot of drama in that.
Just I think at one level why I relate to you and I just feel what you're doing is amazing is you're also a child of academicians, right? I think your father was a principal, your mom's a teacher. I'm also a daughter of academicians and वो intelligence चेहरे पे दिखती है, okay? You're an intelligent woman, okay? Like you yourself have said and you've said it correctly. You also look like a mainstream Bollywood heroine, okay? And you've made no bones about it. I like how you say, of course, you know, we have a template and you fit it perfectly. And yet you have challenged yourself. You have felt like this is my craft and I want to hone it and I want to test my boundaries. And that I think is amazing. So when you came as this young woman to this industry, heroine बनने आई हूँ ये सोच के आए थे? Did you know exactly the kind of films you wanted to do? And at that time, did you see yourself doing this? That one day you'll be a director, you'll be writing?
Not at all. Not at all. And if somebody had told my younger self at that time कि ऐसा होने वाला है, I would have been a lot calmer. Because there was a lot of anxiety at that time कि क्या होने वाला है, ये फिल्म ये फिल्म फ्लॉप हो गई, ये नहीं हुआ, वो नहीं हुआ, भाग रहे हैं. I would have focused a lot more on writing perhaps, because उस टाइम पे मैंने I treated writing जो हमेशा से मेरे साथ थी. I was the editor of my school magazine, college
You're
magazine.
a published author. I mean, look at the hat she's wearing. What is this? You're a Scorpio. Is this a Scorpio trait that you can't sit still and you have to just keep doing
stuff? हाँ. I don't know if it's a Scorpio trait. मेरे कई Scorpio दोस्त काफ़ी lazy भी हैं. ऐसा I don't think it's a Scorpio thing. I think it's just what my mom told me कि if I see you sitting around तो घर का काम कर लेना. खाली मत बैठे हुए नजर आओ. And sometimes I have a problem to.
We've all heard this.
To
not be able
doing.
to. Yeah.
You know, you have to stop doing at some point.
So they were easy to convince कि मुझे I want to be an actress. Like, how did that happen?
Not at all easy to convince. My parents looked at me and said, "Actor? What? No."
You were a good student.
Very.
तो और उनको लगा होगा what a waste. What is happening?
नहीं. I don't think they were thinking waste. My dad told me, finish your graduation. फिर जो करना है कर लेना.
नहीं बोला उन्होंने civils try कर लो बेटा.
नहीं इससे बदतर हुआ actually. My college principal, PC Verma, he's no longer around. He called my dad to the school. My school principal was called by my college principal कि you come here, I want to talk to you. So my dad went to meet him and दोनों के बीच बातचीत ये हुई कि अब हमने इसके recommendation साइन कर दिए हैं, अब इसको भेजते हैं बाहर पढ़ने के लिए. फिर ये वापस आ जाएगी कॉलेज में पढ़ाने के लिए. I said आप लोग को पढ़ाने के अलावा कुछ और आइडियाज़ आ रहे हैं कि मेरे को नहीं, I'm not interested in this. I'm not interested in being an academician. मेरे को नहीं करना.
When did this happen? Who was the person that you idolized? You saw a film, you saw a performance. Like, how did?
It's a very random story. जहाँ हम रहते थे वहाँ पे there was a cinema called Radhu Palace.
Okay.
We went to see Namak Halal. And my father who's the strict principal, मूछी वाले whatever. And वो घर आया, पग घुंघरू बंद. I was like, अच्छा, ये कुछ बात है इस माध्यम में, इस मीडियम में. And I could see people whistling and throwing coins and la. हमको नहीं ज़्यादा अलाउड होता था ऐसा सब पिक्चरें देखना. It was all like गांधी देख लो, हटारी देख लो, ऐसा मतलब एजुकेशनल वैल्यू की फिल्में. So it was a revelation कि ये भी हो सकता है. Then I would shut my room, do crying scenes,
the full शीशे के सामने खड़े होके,
and कमरे में बंद करके. And my parents would think पता नहीं क्या आवाज़ें आ रही है अंदर से, whatever. She's a teenager, करने दो जो.
So you were a rebel. Growing up a rebel? I would say at least internally, externally नहीं दिखाती थी because strict था family का atmosphere, but अंदर से full. So you come here and now you're doing mainstream stuff opposite Ajay Devgan and Kamal Sartan. At that time, what was it like? What were your parents saying? And what did you feel about the whole experience? Because 90s, I believe, was a strange time also, in the sense it wasn't as I think a lot of things have improved, especially for female actors and artists. I've heard stories where they say there weren't even enough women on set. Like you just have your makeup person or hair person, and that's
absolutely. I think more than the place being strange, I was the strange one because मैं एक तो फिल्में देख के नहीं फिल्में करने आई थी. मेरा एक्टिंग का अपना ही एक नोशन था कि ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा whatever. जब मैं यहाँ आई, I was very self-conscious and not trained enough as an actor for the kind of work I had aspirations to do. I was sort of riding on the way I sort of looked at that point as the ideal Bollywood kind of girl. But pretty soon I decided, or rather fell in love with acting. Very soon. And then all of that went out the window. I started doing theatre, I started doing a lot of that. Took a 3-4 year break and I just trained, and Firoz Abbas Khan and Nasiruddin Shah and so many people, I trained with them, and fortunately it stood me in good stead.
Tare Zameen Par, this moment when suddenly the world wakes up to the most loved mother on screen after a long time. It's a film, it's a reference that you're going to that's going to stay with you, I think, all your life, and I don't think you mind that because it's just a character that gets so much love. How did you then ensure कि typecast नहीं होंगे? Again, something that happens to the best कि एक चीज अच्छी लग गई तो वही है.
थिंग इज कि पीपल वर टाइपकास्टिंग आल्सो इन अ वेरी टाइपकास्ट वे. उनकी टाइपकास्टिंग भी टाइपकास्टेड थी कि मैम एक बहुत ही अलग हट के स्क्रिप्ट है और उसमें आपका एक बच्चा है वो अब नॉर्मल है और फिर वो माँ नहीं हो पाएगा बिकॉज यू कैन नॉट कीप रिपीटिंग योर सेल्फ एंड दैट्स समवेयर नॉट वाई यू बिकम एन एक्टर. एक सुर में गाना गाने के लिए आप एक गायक को बोलो तो वो तो मर ही जाएंगे. सो यू हैव टू go up and down in whatever. So I resisted it severely. I was offered whether it was I mean it was the biggest of production houses. सबके सब A से B तक A से Z तक सबके A से Z तक सबकी मदर बनने का ऑफर था. And I didn't have a problem with being a mother. That's okay. आप इंडिया में 24, 25, 26, 27 के हो तो you would naturally be कंसिडर्ड कि अच्छा आप मदर नहीं हो वो अपने आप में एक कहानी है कि क्यों नहीं हो. क्या इनफर्टिलिटी प्रॉब्लम है.
What is our conditioning now? We have accepted this one.
But I'm talking stories, okay, and not the personhood, but like the social ethos जो है जहाँ पे हम रहते हैं तो you would then have to explain कि ये माँ क्यों नहीं है. इसकी चॉइस नहीं है, ये करियर ओरिएंटेड है, IVF ट्रीटमेंट नहीं वर्क किया, हस्बैंड में कोई प्रॉब्लम है. That would be then the film about that. But if you are asking me to be a mother, then ask me कि I would ask them कि मदर का क्या कैरेक्टर है, and they would say मदर है. तो I would be like आपने मेरी मदर को देखा है? अब जरा आके देखना मेरे घर की मदर्स को, मेरी मासी, मेरी ताई, whatever, मामी. You have a look at them. Personalities, zingers, all of them. एकदम. And my cousins, bombs, all of them. पटाखास. तो आप क्या बोल रहे हो यार? किस टाइप की मदर है ये? एकदम it's not a good thing. So I resisted. So of course I played mothers. Ankur Arora, Murder Case, Rahasya, Dil To Bachcha Hai Ji, Kissa, all were mothers. But it's not, they're embodied people.
Correct. I think that's a sensible question to ask. Character kya hai? Mother is fine, it's a relation, but what do you do? Who introduced you to the fact that, it's not an equal world, sadly for women, but you hold on to yourself, and there's a sense of confidence that comes across in anything that you do. Who would you credit for this? Was it your mother? When I was growing up, school, college, protective environment, I didn't know कि gender divide भी कोई चीज़ होती है, till I stepped out as quite literally in the big bad world and realized it's not an equal world.
No, I knew it was an unequal world very early.
Yeah, it was instances at home as well. Different rules for you or the brothers.
हाँ थोड़ा सा, because that was कि he's a guy, he can do this, he can do that, but you can't because it's Delhi and logically so because it physically आप unsafe. But it was strict overall. ऐसा भी नहीं था कि उसके ऊपर बहुत leniency थी because he was a duffer at studies and I was good at studies. So वो that was hard on him. This part was harder on me. But in all honesty, I myself am not that person. मेरे को for many years I've not led with gender. मेरे को ये constantly ये एहसास नहीं रहता that I'm a woman.
That's also our privilege, right, Tiska, that we can for some time put that aside and continue the way we want to, but for the living reality for so many women in our country is कि उन्हें हर step पे ये एहसास दिलाया जाता है.
बिल्कुल मैं इस बात से पूरी तरह से सहमत हूँ. This is absolutely correct कि ये एक privilege है और I think education जब आप देखते हो कि limits वो जो आप अपने ऊपर set करोगे, अगर आप देखो, recently I was reading that there was a woman scientist. Western scientists were credited with her. Yeah. So I was reading that and I was like,
she didn't get her due.
She didn't get her due. They won the Nobel. And today we are, going back into stuff and seeing कि कहाँ क्या है. But originally, जो डिवाइन फेमिनिन है वो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है। और अगर आप, एक राजा अपनी गद्दी पे बैठा है, बहुत कंफर्टेबल गद्दी और सब उसके सामने बिछा हुआ है, पूरी दुनिया बिछी हुई है, ऑल द पावर, ऑल द एक्सेस, एवरीथिंग, वो क्यों वो गद्दी छोड़ेगा? कोई नहीं छोड़ेगा अपनी गद्दी। अगर you want to win the day for yourself, then you have to prove it. You have to bring stuff to the table जो उतना अच्छा है, जो उस क्वालिटी का है, जहाँ पे फिर सवाल नहीं उठेगा कि ये काम किसने किया है।
But do you think women have to work doubly hard to be taken seriously?
I don't think whether they have to work doubly hard or triply hard, the work has to be that good. Extraordinary work. And that's the only way that the envelope can be pushed.
What is the one thing that you are doing differently than your mother while bringing up your daughter?
More fearlessness. They can be even more, but she's pretty fearless. दूसरा, no sense of shame.
Yeah.
You know, and no sense of कि you are a girl तो ये, you are a girl तो वो. No. And if I tell her कि you know नीचे ये मत पहन के जाओ, अच्छा नहीं लगता, और समथिंग लाइक दैट, आई टेल हर द रीजन फॉर इट. इट्स योर बॉडी, इसमें कोई शर्म की बात नहीं है. नथिंग रॉन्ग विद योर लेग्स और वट एवर यू वांट टू वेयर, वट एवर, बट देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड अप्रोप्रिएट. यहाँ पे यू विल जस्ट, यू विल हैव टू डील विद स्टफ. पीपल आर वांटेड
appropriate clothing for the occasion.
उतना देख लो, बट आपको पता होना चाहिए कि ये मैं क्यों आपको बोल रही हूँ. इसलिए नहीं है कि कुछ शेमफुल है आपकी बॉडी में. सो
Do you see a mainstream Bollywood film being made where an older woman is very comfortably, that's not the theme of the movie, but you just see a relationship where an older woman is with a younger man?
Dil Chahta Hai did that. And beautifully. I hope so.
You see yourself in that? You'd love a role like that. But do you see that? So that's what I said, that changes ho rahe hain, but do you see like the speed at which these changes are being made, is that something you like, or you think things are moving very slowly? They aren't changing the way, at the speed at which they should?
Yes and no. On the front of के in the technical departments, साली मोहब्बत एक फीमेल डीओपी ने शूट किया है, विदुषी तिवारी, फैब. अब मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा कि वो फीमेल है या मेल है. And she was running around like anybody else. कैमरा उठा के 25, 30, 50 किलो का जितना भी, she was shooting it how she was shooting it, and she brought a lovely energy. अभी whether when you see on a film set, तो आपके DOP, आपके production designer, आपके anybody could be a woman, first AD, and they're brilliant. All are good, very good. You know, all technicians are very strong. Women directors, so many. But when it comes to actresses, there's a very particular quality. Now I'll tell you, this is because हमारी storytelling जो है, उसका एक mainstream films का एक बहुत strong element है romance, which is बहुत सारी फिल्में उस genre में बनती हैं कि women as objects of lust
and desire,
women and desire. तो उसके लिए the common understanding is that of you know young है, hot है, ये है वो है,
that ticks ना, yeah, that
तो वो सब ये सब boxes tick हो गए, तो that's absolutely fine. Mainstream cinema के subjects जब तक वैसे नहीं होंगे, where you're talking about, say for example what movie should I say, like a Hereditary, or you talk about a mainstream film जहाँ पे like a Devil Wears Prada, or you talk about anything that Olivia Colman does, or any of these kind of strong women characters, जब तक कि वैसे फिल्में mainstream में नहीं बननी शुरू होंगी and Indian audiences don't start wanting to watch that as a spectacle film, then most of that work will come on the web.
Yeah.
तो वैसा हो रहा है. तो मोस्टली जो हैं वो जो रोल्स फॉर वुमेन हैं, नाउ लेट्स टेक धुरंधर फॉर एग्जांपल. अगर मुझे ऑफर करना भी चाहते तो मेरे को कौन सा रोल ऑफर करते? अक्षय खन्ना का कर सकती थी मैं. आई कुड हैव बीन रहीमा डकैत. आई कुड बी, दैट इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी. but for somebody to have that imagination and to be able to see it like that or to think like that is I think a little bit more time needs to happen.
Okay, we're going to change gears a little bit here, and I want you to speak to me about the institution of marriage. You, touch wood, look like a happily married person, and I think it's a healthy relationship. If your neighbors feel कि कल divorce हो जाएगा, it is a very healthy relationship, a marriage of equals.
बुला के पूछ लेते हैं क्या बोल रहे हैं. Yeah.
But so okay, tell me. A lot of people say this institution is redundant now. The core on which it was probably made is very skewed. It really helps one gender more, and one has to tweak it now to make it work. You went in with that mindset, saying that this is my marriage, our marriage, and we will make the rules and we will ensure that it doesn't feel unfair to any one of us.
Like I mentioned, अगर कोई गद्दी पे बैठा है और उसको हर चीज़ मिल रही है.
इस शादी में गद्दी में कौन बैठा है या गद्दी ही नहीं है?
दोनों गधे हैं. Actually, we became very good friends.
So friendship is the base.
Is the basis of it, and we like to travel together. We like to do things together, and then we don't also like friends. अच्छा बस go, नहीं करना भी है. So it is like that, and one has
so a guy night out, you with your girlfriend, we don't need to hang out as a group all the time.
No, for God's sake. Yeah, no, but also our work is such. He's been flying for 27
also, you
years.
have different set of friends, right? He's flying. You're an actor.
No, we have a good common set of friends. Yeah, and he's very friendly with my friends. Very friendly. And वो घर आती हैं तो they come for me, they stay for him, which is ridiculous.
Who are your friends in the industry?
I mean, in the industry, of course, there's Maria, who's a dear friend. Shweta Kawatra, she's a dear friend. बाकी के industry के इतने लोग नहीं हैं. I'd like to call Aarti Bajaj. I love her very much. Yeah. Not so many people from within the industry. I still am very good friends with, I'm best friends with my school friends.
So what's the one thing that you do differently in your marriage as compared to say your parents or your in-laws? कि वो भी एक शादी है जो हम देख के बड़े होते हैं. Where so many things also come down to conditioning, it's just how it is.
I don't put my work second. I just don't. It's as important as Sanjay's work. वो भी उस बात की कदर करते हैं. For example, my mother fell sick when I was directing Sali Mohabbat. She got cancer, and we were shocked. उसके 4 दिन shooting के बाद पता चला, and I finished my first schedule और मुझे देहरादून जाना था to shoot the outdoor, and I was overwhelmed because cancer is such a thing कि it just and we were discussing कि should I tell Manish कि किसी और को ले जाओ, get someone else to direct it. He said you've spent so much, Sanjay said you spent so much time doing this to come to this point, don't leave it now, go and look after mama for whatever time it takes. So, and he did the hospital runs, he did everything that needed to be done. Of course my dad is there and my mom is well now, knock on wood, but
that's such a big thing to not.
I would do the same.
Yeah.
God forbid, if anything were to happen, I would do this absolute same. So yeah, I mean that element. Also, when you said that marriage is redundant, मैं उस topic पे कुछ कहना चाहूँगी. अगर आप सोचते हो कि what is at the heart of a marriage? क्यों है ये? It started off as being a sort of social transactional thing, protection for the woman.
You became a landowner, you needed somebody to be there and you...
And also to raise children, you needed that kutumb which was there. But like everything else, our communication has changed so much. Marriage will also necessarily change. Transport has changed, खाने के तरीके, everything has changed. So why has marriage not changed? So the idea of marriage is two people bearing witness to each other's lives. Your parents will pass on. आपके बच्चे घर छोड़ के पढ़ाई करने, अपनी ज़िंदगी जीने, जो भी करने वो चले जाएंगे. The two people who stay together and from young adulthood or mid adulthood together is that you're witnessing each other's lives. और अगर आप उस witnessing में you can be the person who has the guts to confront the other person with their own mistakes so that they don't, वो अपने आड़े ना आए, उनकी अपनी गलती उन्हें ना रोके उनके ड्रीम फुलफिल करने के लिए, एंड यू आर विलिंग टू बिकम द बैड पर्सन फॉर दैट, कि मैं ये सच बोल रही हूँ, आई नो यू विल हेट मी फॉर अ वाइल बट आई लव यू इनफ टू बी हेटेड फॉर अ वाइल, इज व्हाट आई थिंक अ मैरिज शुड बी एंड कैन बी.
You know, I agree with you. Companionship is beautiful, but we're also seeing so many marriages not working, and you know, people succumbing to either pressure or temptation, or it's just. Do you think it's just very hard today to have a stable, happy marriage?
It always was, ना.
It always was.
हाँ, I mean, दो फ्रेंड्स की नहीं बनती. It's a work in progress, continuously. You have to work at it, you have to drill away at it. There are good days, there are bad days, there are terrible days, there are, and then you realize that if you have basic respect for the core values,
shared values, I think make all the difference.
is a very big one. You know.
That I agree.
So for me, if the guy didn't have integrity or was fraudulent, तो मेरे को बहुत तकलीफ होती.
For sisterhood, tell us 2 red flags and 2 green flags to look out for.
How he treats people जिनकी उन्हें ज़रूरत
नहीं है. Yeah.
You know, जो उनसे डिपेंडेंट है उनके ऊपर, जिनके ऊपर वो डिपेंडेंट है वो नहीं. Basic human respect.
Correct.
And if he's bad to his staff or to people who work with him, then huge red flag. A lot of Indian boys, men, whatever, are tantrumy. You know, उनको
Raja beta.
हाँ.
Raja beta syndrome.
Yes.
Yeah.
तो वो you have to watch out for that and quell it there.
वो तो बड़ा मुश्किल है. वो तो we have.
नहीं, you have to quell it there. You have to quell it right there and say कि sorry, what's that? वो क्या था? वो चीज़ क्या थी? उसको रोकिए.
Have you done that?
हाँ, all the time. Not just Sanjay नहीं, but
I get it. Yeah.
I'm like, क्या ये क्या है? ये कौन सा इमोशनल ट्रॉमा आप लेके आ रहे हो यहाँ पे? ये चीखना, चिल्लाना, this and that.
Entitlement.
ये मतलब it's not quite needed.
Green flags.
Green flags, I think, should have a few passions, a few crazy ass hobbies. फिर वो बड़े sorted हो जाते हैं उस चीज़ के साथ. And his relationship with his mother. If it's a friendship and if there's banter and if there's loveliness, then that's a great relationship.
Elaborate on this. I find this very interesting. Relationship with the mother, in what sense?
The way a guy treats his mum and the relationship that he has, that's the first woman he ever
he's
knew.
ever
So उस relationship से will stem all the other relationships. So if there is most boys who have been given 1-2 tight slaps by their mother are quite okay.
Old parenting की fan लगती हैं आप.
बहुत.
What about general parenting, जिसका?
What do you mean?
I love this.
क्या मतलब?
ऐसे general parenting, we just tell them this is not right and we don't do anything else.
बच्चे पता है कितने हरामी होते हैं? आपको आइडिया है कितने हरामी होते हैं? ऐसे ट्विस्ट करके घुमा के will send you out into the universe. Gentle parenting, yeah, gentle by and large.
Yeah.
But you do need to be.
I love this.
Yeah, मतलब.
आपको अच्छी डांट पड़ी है बचपन में.
हाँ, भर के. My God.
Jiska, have you ever felt insecure about your looks? You're a beautiful woman. You don't need me to tell you that. You know that. But yeah, we all go through.
Tell more about that.
खूबसूरत हैं आप. आपकी ये झील जैसी आँखें
Yes.
चंदन सा बदन और all of that. But yeah, how do you, it's tough to love yourself all the time. I mean, we wake up in the morning and sometimes you're like, you only find flaws with yourself. Has that ever happened to you?
Yeah, all the time. All the time. I mean, flaws ही flaws हैं. But उधर ही तक बात नहीं है ना. You're not just the way you look, because that's just one part, and there's so many other things. I think I'm acutely focused on the state of the life condition. कि मूड या वाइब अंदर का कैसा है. फिर वो चेहरा कभी थोड़ा साइनस भी हुआ पड़ा है, या यू आर गोइंग थ्रू समथिंग और हैव गेन्ड वेट, तो then you're okay. I mean, you're like, yeah, I'll get back to it, whatever. So
you've never felt insecure or felt the pressure to conform?
I did. When I was younger, a lot. I'm a Punjabi. ऊपर से खाने का शौक, ऊपर से sweet tooth. It's like trying to climb a mountain that's well oiled on skates. मतलब दो इंच ऊपर जाते हो और 4 फुट नीचे आ जाते हो. आप जाओ तो कहाँ जाओ. So it was a very big struggle, but over a period of time, I think you just kind of inhabit yourself fully, and you say, this is the body, it needs to be healthy, it needs to be fit, and I do things for it, make the right causes, eat on time, और वो सब जो normal, drink the water, do the yoga, the Shalini Pasi, think positive thoughts.
It's great for my skin.
Yes.
I can't hate on people. It's bad
for my skin. Yeah.
How do you start your day?
I shut my eyes and walk to a mirror and make sure I look at myself in the eye first, because I think that everything today is going to be my responsibility. That's the first thing I do.
Really?
अपना ही मुँह देखती हूँ.
And then you do an Anil Kapoor and you're like, fantastic.
No.
No,
I just
affirmations or saying something or nothing.
Just, it's us. We're gonna make it happen today.
Not bad. That's a very baddie attitude.
Is it?
Yeah, you're like, we're a team. Amazing. How are you with money negotiations? Again, a question I ask all my women guests. Because so many of us confess that we get nervous when we have to discuss money and put a price to what we think we deserve. आपने ये सीखा over the years? कैसे हुआ? Like give us share tips. Tell us how to do this. Do you think you do it well? You negotiate money for yourself well?
Actually, I don't like to do it. I don't like to do it because the people that I'm dealing with are artists, hopefully, on the other side. The producers are wanting to make the movie, or the director, whoever. ये बातें ना तनाव ले आती हैं बीच में. Unnecessary. रोल 15 दिन का है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट 50 पेज का है. I'm like, what the hell यार, इतना क्या अविश्वास चल रहा है हमारे बीच में. I want to do this film or I don't want to do it. I want to work with you or I don't want to work with you. बाकी की चीज़ें या semantics, वो हो जाएगा. 10-5 लाख मेरे को कम दे दोगे तो मैं गरीब नहीं हो जाऊंगी, ज़्यादा भी दे दोगे तो मैं, it's not like I can, buy a yacht. It's okay. Principally, I'm agreed to that. But I have now recently got someone on board who is such a badass. मतलब वो तो सीधा, show me the money, honey. I'm like, good, yeah, चलो. So, I'm always tending to want to be part of the art.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
That's normal also. That's your,
That's my thing.
Yeah.
तो फिर मेरे को लगेगा नहीं यार, ये कर ही लेते हैं, ये तो ये काम नहीं मेरे को छोड़ना है.
No, but this also so many people have said that if you can't do it, the smart thing is to get somebody who can do it, and that's actually looking out for yourself.
Yeah. So you don't have to put yourself directly in the path of that.
Yeah.
Because also putting a price on yourself and your work and all of that seems a little mercenary to me.
Yeah.
Mercenary, not just कि मैं
बिल्कुल artist, yeah.
In the sense of कि
no, it does feel crude sometimes, like you're talking bare numbers and
not just that. I'm thinking कि जैसे अब मुझे एक shot देना है कि, say for example, I've caught my husband cheating and I'm like in the middle of all of that and there's such vulnerability and exposure. साथ साथ में आपने पैसे की बात कर रहे हो, तो मतलब वो it's not. I'd like to be vulnerable with the people जिनके साथ मैं काम कर रही हूँ, जहाँ पे hard negotiation ये वो तो अब कर लो, वो हो जाए, उसके बाद हम लोग फिर ये बात करते हैं, so that it's out of the way.
Yeah.
But I don't want to be in the way of that while we are,
Yeah.
you know, I don't want to be that person.
Got it. Tiska, you directed your first film, and as women, we are very used to. We also know how to deal with it, but we are very used to not being heard the first time we speak, or somebody speaking over us, or just people randomly challenging authority because, in so many ways, जीने के लिए सोचा ही नहीं मर्द संभालने होंगे और ईगोज संभालनी होंगी. Was there an incident that you recall where you had to ensure that your authority
As a director,
is
there
respected?
There was a particular person, I won't say who was supposed to be on the film, and slightly old-fashioned in his thinking. Not an old-fashioned
Got it.
person, just
Yeah.
सोच was
Yeah.
like that कि बताएगी
ये
हमें.
बताएं. अच्छा, ये और ये दिख रहा है. You can read it very clearly.
तो आई वॉज टेलिंग देम कि ये पत्ते हम यहाँ से ले जाते हैं देहरादून से, बिकॉज बॉम्बे में जब
Yeah.
शूट करना है हमें ये इन पत्तों की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, तो आप ज़रा ये पैक करा लीजिए 50 पत्ते, जो जहाँ भी आप सेंड द कार एवरीवेयर, एंड लेट्स गेट द लीव्स बिकॉज वी माइट नीड इट इन बॉम्बे, एंड फिर रेप्लिकेट करने के लिए ईजी हो जाएगा बिकॉज वी हैव टू हैव द सेम ट्री, इफ़ यू नो द फिल्म
Yeah,
का जो
yeah.
पेड़ है
Yeah,
एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो बॉम्बे में भी तो है ये पेड़, तो ऐसे फिर आप यहाँ पे ही हैं, हम लोग तो ले जाते हैं, बिकॉज हमको रेप्लिकेट करना है तो बेटर कि हम यहाँ से ले जाएं. सो ही सेड कितने सीन में आ जाएगा, सो आई टोल्ड हिम 8 सीन में.
You're thorough.
ऑल्सो फ्लोटिंग मत जाओ ना आप भी.
Yeah.
You fight that kind of casual misogyny with specific.
Yeah.
Because that's casual, that's very
Yeah,
ऊपर
yeah.
ऊपर से कि हाँ, बट जब आपका काम पक्का है और वो होना ज़रूरी है, आप आदमी हो या औरत, बिकॉज ह्यूमन बीइंग की बेसिक इंस्टिंक्ट तो वही है ना
Yeah.
कि डोमिनेट. आई एम नॉट सीकिंग टू डोमिनेट, मेरा कोई डिज़ायर नहीं है आपको डोमिनेट करने का, बल्कि मैं तो चाहती हूँ कि मैं आपके एज द डायरेक्टर मैं तो सबके बम के नीचे चिंगारी जलाने आई हूँ कि अच्छा अच्छा और अच्छा काम करो, सब लोग और आगे आगे करो. पर अगर आप उस दिशा से आओगे तो देन आई विल वेरी नेचुरली हैव टू टेल यू कि सॉरी बट दिस इज व्हाट इज नीडेड.
And then he was after that
he was taken aback. उनको ये अपेक्षा नहीं थी, बिकॉज उनको लग रहा था कि मैं एक इमोशनल रिएक्शन दूंगी, बट मेरा इमोशन था नहीं उसके अंदर. आई एम नॉट प्लेइंग दैट गेम. मेरे को नहीं दिखानी अपनी अथॉरिटी आपको, मेरे को क्या ही मिल जाएगा. इट्स नॉट गोना गेट मी टू मेकिंग अ बेटर फिल्म बाय सेइंग दैट आई एम द डायरेक्टर. मैं हूँ मैं, अब क्या करें, अब आगे बढ़ते हैं, काम करते हैं.
Tiska, this is so much fun. Thank you for your honesty, and thank you for giving us an insight into this really sharp Scorpio mind of yours.
Twisted.
and you how admirably you managed to hold your own. It's really, I've always admired you, and this conversation is very
It
special.
goes both ways. Thank you.
Thank you.
you.